If you own any of the recent Samsung Galaxy S phones or the Notes, you must own this device. Cable Matters HDMI adapter, a critical review. I recently upgraded my business phone when I switched carriers, and I just purchased a Samsung Galaxy Note 3. This larger screen phone allows me to more utilize my phone as a portable computer when I don't have a laptop or a tablet with me. And because part of my company offers marketing and advertising services, from time to time I find it extremely helpful to show entrepreneurial video clips to demonstrate how certain ideas play out, how you can use technology to grow your business, and to judge how emerging markets come about from just basic ideas. The HDMI adapter for the Samsung line of phones, which is MHL, works very well with the Note 3, and it's just a matter of plugging it into the USB port. But for work or for play, this adapter literally adds more use to your phone. Here are some clips.